What has a bottom at the top? A leg. What runs but never walks, has a bed but never sleeps, has a mouth but never eats? A river. What can fill a room but takes up no space? Light. What is always coming but never arrives? Tomorrow. What starts with an E, ends with an E, but only contains one letter? An envelope. I am tall when I am young, and I am short when I am old. What am I? A candle. What has an eye but cannot see? A hurricane. What is black when you buy it, red when you use it, and gray when you throw it away? Charcoal. What is white when it's dirty and black when it's clean? A chalkboard. What has a face but can't smile? A clock.